UW Health encourages signing up for advanced care planning prior to a health crisis. National Healthcare Decisions Day is coming up on Tuesday, and UW Health is offering free services, encouraging people to begin considering who to trust if you can't make your own healthcare decisions. Even if you are not a UW Health patient, you can still view forms on their website and begin conversations about advanced care planning.
Many people maybe don't even realize that if they were ever in a situation where they can't make decisions for themselves, be it something foreseen or unforeseen, it's always good to have someone make those decisions for you.